Hello, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Life in Shimla. And I hope all of you are staying safe and at home. Today, I have with me Dr. Monica. She's a doctor in Ayurveda and she's a BA MS from Rajiv Gandhi Institute, Bangalore. And she has enough experience in Ayurveda to help us with few tips and knowledge about how Ayurveda is trending in the coming generation. So, Monica, please help us with your introduction.
Hi, hey all, namaste everyone. This is Dr. Monica this side. I am an Ayurvedic doctor and I have done my graduation from Rajiv Gandhi University, Bangalore itself. And proudly I can say I am a gold medalist for the BAMS degree.
Oh, wow.
And whenever you have any doubts regarding Ayurveda or something, you can always reach to me on my inbox. On Insta, you people can follow me, or on YouTube. Any time or all the time, I'll be there to help you out with the all diet, lifestyle and Ayurvedic suggestions.
And what's the name of your
It's a
handle?
Swasthyam Ayurveda on YouTube, and on Insta it is Dr.Monica_Ayurveda.
Okay,
So
great. Guys, just make a note of it if you want to keep following Dr. Monica. So, Monica, I have a very important question for you. That nowadays we are seeing more inclination towards Ayurveda.
Yeah, exactly.
People are heading for treatments more to Ayurvedic clinics
True.
compared to allopathic, homeopathic. So, what do you feel is the reason behind it?
See, the trend was there from long ago. The only thing is this pandemic made us realize that our ancient science, our home science is much better than the sciences which we were following since years. So Ayurveda have so much thing. See, before the surgery thing came into the picture, or before the medicine preparation came into the picture, Ayurveda texts has explained everything before 3000 years or before 5000 years. So they have studied the whole anatomy of the body, they have studied the whole physiology of the body, and as per that thing all the treatments are described. The only thing is we people are like, we want everything instant nowadays. We want instant coffee, we want instant noodles. That is why moreover our incline is happening towards allopathic and homeopathics, as this is my point of view, as towards the Ayurvedic science.
Okay, great. And one more question, Monica. We will not be, taking too much of your time. Usually people say that Ayurveda, it takes a long time for the treatments. So, do patients have that kind of patience, or are they okay with that much of time period? Because usually everybody, like you spoke about instant noodles and everything instant. So, are the patients okay with that much of time that you are putting into the treatment?
See, in Ayurveda, we treat the whole human body, like when it comes to the treatment aspect. We won't do like this of, if it is a headache, pop up a pill. We'll see why headache is there, from where it came, what was the mistakes done by the person itself, so that it turns to the headache, whether headache came along or it comes with other few diseases. So we treat a whole body, we treat body, mind and soul together. That is why Ayurvedic treatments take long time. And moreover, once you go towards the Ayurveda, we believe to heal the whole body together. It's not like that ki we just work on a small part of the body. That is why the treatment takes time, and nowadays people are showing more interest. It's better not to take like you took the medicine, you are okay. After 15 days again you took the medicine, you are okay. Better to take medicine for 1 week or for 15 days or for 45 days and get the complete rid of the disease. That is why patience showing only will get you the good results.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Dr. Monica, for your time, and hope your stay in Shimla is a very joyful one. And thanks again from all our viewers. And guys, please like and subscribe my channel.
Thank you so much, Upasnadi.
Thank you. Bye-bye.